Namaskar. Like other music and dance forms in the world, tabla also has its own kind of rhythmatic language of expressions. In this chapter, I will teach you how to play the very basic bowls on the tabla. So let's start with the sound of na or ta. Place your ring finger on the edge of shahi like this. Place your thumb on the outer circle, shringar or gajra like this. Keep your middle finger up in the air, and then to play the sound of na, you have to hit the chati, the outer edge of the tabla like this. This is na or ta. Make sure to rebound it. Rebound it. Now, the sound of ghe. Make your hand, left hand, in the shape of a snake like this. Put your inner wrist on this portion like this, and then you have to hit the opposite side of the shahi with your middle finger like this. Ghe, ghe. You can use this finger also, and you can use both these fingers like this. Ghe, 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 ghe. And for the sound of K, you have to play, you have to close your finger like this, left hand, and then hit it like this. K, K, K. So now, to produce the sound of dha, we will play na and ghe together. Then it becomes dha. This is dha. Now, the sound of te. Your two fingers, middle finger and the ring finger, hit in the inner circle, the shahi like this. Te, te. Don't rebound it. Hit it. Te. And te with your index finger, hit it in the same way. Te, te. So it will become te, 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 te. If you add the sound of baya, the ghe, in te, it becomes dhe. Dhe, te, dhe, te. Now I'll teach you the sound of tin or tu. Again, place your third finger, your ring finger on the shahi, and your thumb here. You have to hit this portion, some part of the middle circle and shahi. This is tin. We have two kinds of tin. First tin is like this. Keep your middle finger up in the air. Second tin will be like this. All three fingers up in the air, and I'm hitting this portion, the edge of shahi, this place like this. Tin. My thumb is coming in this direction. Extreme right on tabla. Tin or tu. This is also pronounced as tu. Now, if I add The baya again. With these two notes, it will become dhin or dhi. Dhin, 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 dhin. There are some other notes which I'll demonstrate in upcoming lessons with different compositions. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.